This video demonstrates how to install eSquare Studio and CCRX compiler on Linux host. First, download the eSquare Studio. Please scan this QR code or go to the download page from the Renaissance website. Log into my Renaissance account. Select the quick link eSquare Studio Linux host. Or click Downloads to go to the Downloads section. And select the latest version of eSquare Studio Linux host. Click Accept and download. Linux libraries are required for eSquare Studio Linux. To install the libraries, run these 4 commands as shown in the next steps. Open a terminal window. Add a personal package archive. Press Enter to continue the installation. Update the local package index. Install libpython 2.7. Enter Y to continue the installation. Install libpython 3.10. Next, change directory to the download location of the eSquare Studio installer. Enter change mode command to add execution permission to the installer. Enter command to run the eSquare Studio installer. If this message is displayed, install the Fuse package following the instructions. Before attempting to run it again, select Light Install. Installation can continue even if internet connection is not available. Select the default installation folder or click Change to select a new folder. After all preparations are complete, click Next. Select Device Family. Select the required additional software. If internet connection is not available, additional software installation should be skipped for later installation. Accept the software agreement. Create shortcuts in the application launcher. Review the installation summary and click Install. Installation of eSquare Studio is complete. The Renaissance License Manager is mandatory for running CCRX. To install the License Manager and register the CCRX license purchased, please consult the Quick Start Guide for the Linux-hosted version of the eSquare Studio. Next, download the latest version of CCRX compiler for Linux and License Manager for Linux. Please scan this QR code or go to the download page. Extract the file. Open a terminal window. Change directory to the extracted file's location. Run the CCRX installer. Enter Y to continue the installation. Select OK to continue the installation. Select Yes to continue the installation. Open a terminal window. Change directory to the folder that License Manager has been extracted. Run the License Manager for Linux. Next, integrate CCRX compiler in eSquare Studio. Run eSquare Studio. Click Browse to select a workspace. Go to Help. Add Renaissance toolchains. Click Add. To add toolchain, click Browse to select the toolchain path. Navigate to the CCRX directory. Click OK after toolchain is found. Click Apply and Close to integrate it. CCRX for Renaissance RX project is created and built successfully. For more information on installing eSquare Studio, visit the eSquare Studio FAQ page. For more information on building with compiler for Linux, visit the Linux FAQ page.